Which synonym belongs to auroral? The correct answer is Aurorian. Which synonym belongs to asinine? The correct answer is foolish. Which synonym belongs to amok? The correct answer is demoniac. Which synonym belongs to reduce? The correct answer is inspisate. Which synonym belongs to obsessive? The correct answer is unrelenting. Which synonym belongs to candor? The correct answer is frankness. Which synonym belongs to superficial? The correct answer is surficial. Which synonym belongs to molten? The correct answer is found. Which synonym belongs to refuse? The correct answer is garbage. Which synonym belongs to revile? The correct answer is calumniate. Which synonym belongs to instigate? The correct answer is tempt. Which synonym belongs to dazzle? The correct answer is herd. Which synonym belongs to kernel? The correct answer is crux. Which synonym belongs to fallow? The correct answer is abeyant. Which synonym belongs to expatriate? The correct answer is outland. Which synonym belongs to recusant? The correct answer is papist. Which synonym belongs to invective? The correct answer is abusive. Which synonym belongs to cornice? The correct answer is snow cornice. Which synonym belongs to sultry? The correct answer is muggy. Which synonym belongs to tether? The correct answer is hobble.